Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by choosing a live photo and confirming your iPhone supports live wallpaper. Open Photos, tap the live photo you want, and scrub to review the motion. Pick a 1-3-second segment for best results. Once done, disable low power mode and set brightness to comfortable level so the animation plays smoothly. Make sure the photo isn't marked as duplicate or optimized in iCloud Photos. That can remove live data. Now, you'll go into Settings, Wallpaper, and choose Add New Wallpaper, Live Photos. Tap your selected live photo, then make sure the live option, Not Still, is active. This preserves motion. Pinch and drag to crop the frame so the key subject sits center. That prevents awkward pans. When ready, tap Set and choose Lock Screen, Home Screen, or both. You'll see a preview. Press and hold to confirm the live animation behaves as expected before exiting settings. Finish by locking your iPhone and testing the wallpaper. Press and hold on the lock screen to trigger the live photo. If it doesn't animate, make sure low power mode is off and settings right arrow accessibility, right arrow motion, right arrow reduce motion is disabled. These block playback. Also confirm the image is an actual live photo with live data. If not, reopen Photos, export and resave as live photo, or use a short re-record. Once fixed, reapply the wallpaper and verify animation reliably triggers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.